So how to make the guards? You need to stand in the correct position, same as the first video that we did. Hands need to be front of your face and the chin down. The left hand need to be close to your body. So when you get this from the guards, we will start to make the jab. The jab need to be perpendicular angle of your shoulder and need to be fast. So the second is the cross. The cross need to be the hand that you get used to it. So I get used to the right hand. I will use the right hand for the cross. The next step is hook. How do you hook? Is you twist your body from the back side, and when you're ready to hook, you just release the hook while step forward. So when you make the right hand hook, you need to bend your knee down to twist your body and hook. So how to make uppercut is so important for you. So uppercut, you need to gain your power from the backside, bend your body and toss up. Also you need to twist your shoulders. Alright, I hope this quick video will improve your skill of Muay Thai. See you in the next quick video.